guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 14. Is it the 14th? Yes. Okay, so I have a couple of PR packages and I also have my advent calendars, of course. I also want to show you, I got some new septum rings. I posted them on Instagram, but one of you guys was asking about their quality and stuff, so I figured I'd just tell you about them really quick. So I actually ordered these from Body Candy. So I got 5 different septum rings. Thus far, I've had a really good experience with their products. The only septum ring I've gotten so far that I didn't like was from Hot Topic, which, you know, obviously that's probably not the best quality anyway. These are a surgical steel. This one's rose gold with little stones coated in whichever finish. I got 1 silver, 2 rose gold, and 2 gold, and mine are all 16 gauge. That's the gauge that I have in mine. Really tiny. The stones in these are cubic zirconia too, so they do look really pretty. Like the silver one, I don't know if it did it justice, but it has a beautiful sparkle to it. And then this next one is gold, same as the rose gold one I just showed you. Really cute. I don't really know what you call this design of this one right here, but it's really cute. And then the funniest one of all, this is the little rose gold one, and it has a tiny little dinosaur on it. It's like a little foot in your nose. So I posted that on Instagram and immediately one of you guys was like, the dinosaur, which is honestly the first thing that I was thinking was, where the dinosaur. But I'm also kind of keen to try this silver one because it's so sparkly. But the other ones that I ordered from Body Candy, they've done really well. But like I said, the only one I didn't like was the one I got from Hot Topic. It like turned after a while. Now granted, I, would shower with it, clean it, you know what I mean? And I try to leave it in there a lot because I did change mine a little sooner than you're supposed to. I've not had a single issue, but do what the person who pierces you tells you to do. But I had no irritation, no swelling, no nothing. Like literally after 2 days, it felt perfectly fine. And I changed it early and I've been good, but it can be different for every single person. So, use your best judgment, do what they tell you to do. Sniffles wants in. The Sniffles literally did that thing where you ever have animals where they throw their head back before they run really fast? That's what Sniffles just did. Anyway, let's open advent calendars. Let's start with Sugarfina. I feel like I need a little pick-me-up. I worked today. I didn't work a very long day, but I got up pretty early. But I don't know, I'm not really feeling it.
We got some gummies!
Finally, some gummy ones. I know, I'm so picky, but I got the baby butterflies. So there are 4 in here. They look really cute. Look how cute it is. I'm gonna try to guess where 14 is. No, that was number 3. Okay, so 14. 14 is the tiny cube right here. All right, so let's do 14. It feels kind of heavy for such a small box. This is the Mina. Is that Mina? 3 I-N-A, 3-N-A? I don't know, but this is what the little logo is. Maybe you guys are familiar with that. But it's a cream eyeshadow. Looks like this right here. Ooh, that's it on my finger right there. It feels a little drier in texture than I expected. When you looked at it, it just looked like molten, like I don't know what. So I was just imagining something a little bit almost wetter in consistency, but this one's kind of tough. So here you go. That's what it looks like. It's got a really nice shine, but I have to admit, like, it didn't do what I expected it to do. Like, it's pretty, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, when I first saw this, like when I opened the jar, I was just thinking, wow, that's gonna be like so metallic. But all right, we got Look Fantastic. Oh, I think I got something from Mellow and I really liked it. I think I got something in a subscription box. This is a liquid lip color in Tehran. This is the color. It looks really nice. It definitely wasn't this color that I got, or like if it was this color, I'm gonna be shocked that I didn't remember that. Okay, so that's Tehran. Ooh, it looks really, really pretty. I'm seriously acting like I have no energy whatsoever. Like, it has all been taken from me. I think I am a little bit more like mentally drained. I thought about not vlogging today, and I was like, you know what, I'll just do something short and sweet and maybe you'll still like it. So we're gonna keep it short and sweet. But I got 2 packages and I'm so thrilled. So first off, Belief reached out to me and just said they wanted to send me something. I actually think it was a PR company possibly, but they sent me this little cute holiday gift, and you can get these at Sephora. I think they're $23. I know they're 25 or under, but I think it's 23, and it's a really cute way to give somebody like a skincare collection. So let me show you. You get the Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. So this is a nighttime treatment for the face. It's gonna hydrate. You get the moisturizing eye balm. I'm pretty excited about this one. I have not tried their eye products. You get the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. It's a really decent size, especially for a good travel. And then you get the Hungarian Water Essence. I have tried this and I really like that. You just put it on before moisturizer to hydrate further, and it'll help like your moisturizer sink in as well. And then finally, the True Cream Aqua Balm. I prefer the Aqua Balm for a little bit oilier skin. Me personally, I have more dry skin, so I like the moisturizing balm from them. But I also like pairing this with oils, so I can honestly do it either way. But what I personally like to do is to put on a good rich oil after my serum and then kind of seal it in with this, something lightweight and very like water-based hydration, and it just kind of seals it into the skin. I really like it that way, so I'm gonna put my goodies in here. But I think this is a really cute one, especially if you want to go kind of above and beyond for stocking stuffers. It's a little bit big for that, but I think it's really cute. You can reuse this obviously, but it does have like a little, you know, Christmassy motif around the edges there.
Tina, can you wait, baby? Can you wait a second? Can you wait? Hi. Beep. She's just staring at me.
Just one more package. So I got a little box from Nug. They were so sweet to send me some goodies. So while I'm thinking about it, remember I do have that code if you want to order anything. If you go to nugbeauty.com, and the code is just Amy. It's my first name, A-M-I-E. And if you order and you place an order that's $25 or more, if you put in that code, you will get 15% off and you will get free shipping. So a really good way to snag a little discount, and I think these are amazing stocking stuffers. So it's so cute. Their holiday stuff is just adorable. And it's really affordable too, because like I love to go overboard on stockings. I love to make them like really impressive. Like it's a whole gift and it's a whole thing for me. So I got first, they sent me the Let It Shine Vanilla Lip Scrub and Super Shine Balm. I think this is an amazing stocking stuffer. This goes for $15. So if you have a couple girls in your life, you could get 2 of these. It'll be $30, but you can also use the discount code to save a few bucks and get free shipping. So these are vegan as well. So if you have someone vegan in your life who likes beauty, you want to treat them a little bit, but you're, you know, kind of cautious about what to get them, then you are good to go with this. Like I said, I love the Cocoa Shine lip balms, so this should be amazing too. I got several little masks. So I got the Aqua Boost Hydrating Gel Mask. I've used this before a few times. I really like it. The Deep Clean Cleansing Gel Mask. They sent the Double Detox Purifying Gel Mask. This one has charcoal, kaolin clay, and zinc. So good for somebody with a little breakout. Ooh, this one I'm excited about. This is the Super Bright Exfoliating Gel Face Mask, and this is like a little ornament. So cute. And these are really affordable. They're $3.99 each, or you can get a set of 3 for $10.99. So really cute little mask. And then this one I'm really excited about. This is the Winter Fix Hydrating Gel Face Mask. This has camellia seed oil, spirulina, and aloe juice. I love the little ornament ones. They're so cute. All right, and then one more thing. They sent a set of sheet masks. These are the Miracle Mud. It's 4 Super Detox Treatment Mask with kaolin clay, charcoal, oatmeal. I always screw up the word colloidal oatmeal and vitamin C, but it is a pack of 4. Really cute. I love buying like packs of things like this for stocking stuffers because you can easily get multiples, and so you get 4 sheet masks in there. That set goes for $15. So $15, but you get 4 of them. So some really cute small gifts or stocking stuffers, whatever you're looking for. Can't wait to use some of this. You'll definitely be seeing me use some. And honestly, that is it for now. Vlogmas day 14 is a short, sweet, kind of boring girl, but hopefully you guys like seeing my PR packages and my advent calendars, and my new nose rings. So I think I'm gonna wear the dinosaur. We're gonna see, but I kind of want to wear something sparkly too. But maybe I'll change it on Monday for my birthday. So I don't know. That's it for now. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Thank you so much for sticking with me through Vlogmas. I was kind of having one of those days where I was like, oh, I'm not doing that great. Like, I should be doing better. I don't get that many views. I don't get that many subs. But honestly, I'm like, wake up. You're acting stupid. And honestly, the best thing to get me out of a funk like that, when I think like I'm not good enough or I'm not doing enough, is to go and read your guys' comments, and you guys make my day every day. So thank you so much. I know I talk a lot about, you know, hitting 20K and this and that, but I just want to say, like, without any reason behind it, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos and commenting and being here with me, even when, you know, there's no giveaways going on and you're just here to watch. I really appreciate it. So I hope you know how much it means to me that you guys are here with me. And yeah, I'm gonna let you go now. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 15.